Fire doors do not reproduce. Fire door registers do. I can go back to a building and find its recorded fire door stock has grown. Nobody installed a door, nobody commissioned one, there has been no extension and no refurbishment, yet somehow there are more fire doors than there were. Sometimes that is right. A register can be incomplete to begin with, or somebody finds compartmentation nobody had recorded. But often it happens because the drawings are missing, and an inspector is left working backwards from what is in front of them. The door looks substantial. 3 hinges, a closer, seals, and somebody has added a keep shut sign at some point. It looks like a fire door, so onto the register it goes. But a fire-rated leaf does not turn an ordinary partition into a fire-resisting wall. And once a door is on the register, it gets inspected, recorded, maintained, and carried in every budget after that. One door does not cost much. Multiply it across a school, a hospital, or a whole estate, then repeat it every year. The answer is not to walk round pulling signs off doors. It is to bring the fire strategy, the drawings, and the records together and check them against each other. Where you cannot answer why a door is on the list, mark it for verification. It stays on the register until somebody competent has looked properly.